As children and young people, you all have the rights to be listened to speak up, and to be taken seriously in decisions that affect you. This activism toolkit is designed to help you with exactly that, your Article 12 rights, and it may well help you to campaign for other rights that are important to you as well, whether it's rights to feel safe, rights to clean air, rights to change anything you want to in your school, your community, or even right across the world. This toolkit is packed full of ideas about how you can make change in a creative way, and who are the right people to influence to make that change, who makes decisions about particular issues. It's also got lots of examples in it of where children and young people, both in Wales and across the world, have already worked as activists, as human rights defenders, to make change. Please make the most of this toolkit, make the changes that you want to see, and take up your Article 12 rights.